We will show the installation of a 2-in-1 cork-based underlay with a pre-attached vapor barrier. These are all the materials needed to install the underlay. Make sure that the subfloor is leveled, dry, clean, and in good structural conditions. For this installation, open the packaging 48 hours in advance and leave for climatization. The humidity content of the substrate is critical. It must not exceed 2.5% moisture content. New concrete slabs must be left to cure for 120 days before installation. Temperature should be above 10 degrees Celsius and humidity below 75%. The underlay should be installed in a perpendicular direction to the final floor, which should always be installed in the direction of the natural light incidence in the room. Place one roll parallel to the wall with the vapor barrier face up on the subfloor. The foil overlap should be on the opposite side of the wall. Cut the underlay material roll to the desired length and install it. Install the new row immediately next to the previous one, covering the foil overlap. Be sure not to overlap the underlay edges nor leave any gaps. Use a sealing tape to seal the rows securely together. Never mechanically secure the underlay with screws, nails, or staples, since this may undermine its effectiveness. The underlay must cover the entire area. Install the flooring in a perpendicular direction to the underlay. Always follow the flooring manufacturer's recommended installation instructions.